respected chairman of the panel, delegates and guests on the dais and off the dais. I don't have any presentation or anything. I just want to share some of my experiences in J&K working as an IT solution provider. We are established in J&K since 1992. I mean, that was the time which it was the peak of militancy. And I remember in 92, we established one of the first local area networks in J&K Bank at their corporate head office. And it took us almost 5 to 6 months because nobody was interested in coming to the state. Nobody was interested in coming to Srinagar and working and providing solutions here. So we have come a long way. The journey has been very hard, especially for the people of J&K. And that is the reason probably some of the areas we have missed out in ICT implementation in J&K. I believe that customer is the king, and we provide complete IT solution and services to all our customers, whether it is a government, whether it's a defense, or whether it's any other local organization. The level of IT penetration in J&K is low, and still it is not up to the national level. So I find that there is a huge potential for the organizations to come to J&K and work in tandem with the people here so that projects are implemented. And my experience also says that because I have been a part and parcel of successes of many projects, failures of many projects, and experience says that if you want success, then it has to be a teamwork. I mean, one vendor, if some project is initiated and it is passed on to a vendor cannot make it a success or a failure. It's a teamwork and everybody has to be involved. I mean, if you take education department, if suppose some project is to be implemented in education department, I'm just giving an example. I mean, so probably the IT department has to be a part of that project, education department has to be a part of that project, central government agencies like NIC has to be a part of that project, NILET has to be a part of that project, multiple vendors, let's say solution providers like us, have to be a part of that project. Then OEMs, whether it's a Cisco, whether it's Wipro, whether it's IBM, HP and all that, have to be a part of the vendor, that project. And if everybody works as a team, then definitely success will come. And more important is that everybody has to be sincere to the work which is assigned to them, and everybody has to be sincere to ensure that we do our best to that particular project. This is very, very important, because without this, I think no project can be a success. Secondly, I also believe that apart from implementing IT or IT-enabled solutions, I think we should also use IT for monitoring the success or monitoring the projects. I mean, when we talk of schools, today there are around 30,000 schools in J&K. Out of these 30,000 schools, probably around 3,000 to 5,000 schools have some computers, some infrastructure. But then it is the basic infrastructure which is there, and whether we are monitoring whether people are using that infrastructure or not, I don't think there's a proper mechanism to know that. We should, I mean, central government can give funds, states can give funds, we can go for a project, we can implement some certain thing, we can provide infrastructure. But we can take the horse for water to the river. We can't force him to drink water. So same is the case here. If we are just providing the infrastructure, if we are not monitoring whether somebody is using that infrastructure, whether somebody is implementing whatever the thought process is there practically on ground. So these kind of monitoring mechanism has to be there. I mean, that's my feeling, so probably I thought I'll share it with all of you. And for the success of ICT in J&K, there's no dearth of talent, there's no dearth of people. There are good people, there are knowledgeable people in the J&K. There are organizations like Dr. Moon, he said in the morning session, that even the local organizations, local companies, even if they are given an opportunities, they can do wonders. they can do wonders, and they can basically, because these are the people who know the inside out, they know the harsh realities of what is there. Unlike people who are coming from outside J&K, probably they will not know what kind of terrain it is there, what kind of challenges they will face. So it is very important to have a lead in this and involve all of local people, whether it's a department, whether it's one organization, whether it's a consultant, or whether it's somebody else. So teamwork has to be there for the success of the project. Thank you. I thought I'd just share my views with you.